Weight loss smoothies. Fat-burning smoothie recipes. Are smoothies good for losing weight? 10 smoothie ingredients plus slimming recipe. Weight loss smoothies. Fat-burning smoothie recipes. Fat-burning smoothie recipes. Did you know that the nutrient density and variety of your diet can be decisive? Indeed. The more high-quality nutrients you consume and the higher the variety of these, the faster you will get to your desired figure. With fresh raw juices or smoothies, this works like nowhere else. The convincing effect of fruit and vegetable smoothies on the body and immune system has already spread around in many places. So make use of the fat-reducing power of these energy bombs and get to know the benefits. Homemade smoothies. Fat-burning smoothie recipes are optimally suitable for losing weight due to a small number of calories, contain important vitamins and follow components for the resistant framework, cover the complete nutritional needs with various recipes, can also be used as a full-fledged main meal, deliver the nutrients to their destination faster in liquid form, are extremely digestible, tasty, and easily digestible. Lose weight in the long term with smoothies. Fat-burning smoothie recipes. It is recommended to integrate the delicious raw juices firmly into everyday life. Many studies have shown that people who regularly consume smoothies have a much better metabolism. This allows fat burning to be accelerated in a natural way in the long term. I recommend you, if you want to get to your desired figure faster and feel fitter in many situations in life, you have an extensive repertoire of smoothie recipes. The beauty of the juices, there are almost no limits to the preparation possibilities. With a little experimentation, you can quickly find your personal favorite recipe. Fat-burning products. https://amazon.to/36 Valuable tips for your smoothies. Fat-burning smoothie recipes. 1. The natural substance stevia is particularly recommended as a sweetener. Although you can also use real bee honey, despite its healthy effect, it is quite high in calories. Refined sugar or even artificial sweetener contains aspartame. You should definitely avoid. 2. Do not be afraid of vegetables. Fresh vegetables contain valuable fiber, which quickly saturates, as well as important vitamins, which are not or difficult to find in other foods. 3. Smoothies without herbs are not real smoothies. The metabolism-friendly properties of herbs are well known and should also be taken into account in your recipes. Recommended examples are parsley, ginger, watercress, dandelion, nutmeg, and fennel greens.